My name is Nicole. I'm with VP Custom Planters and Design. We are a newer company to the wedding industry. I've been doing commercial planters for live and artificial for the last 6 years. Started my own company last year. I've done Volvo, a number of other car dealerships, residential and commercial planters. You've probably seen them around the city in places like White Mud and Jaguar Ridge. We also do a lot of custom decor as well. So we can build trees, centerpieces, and then we've slowly gotten into the wedding industry. So we were lucky enough today to set up this photo shoot for an event. The event has a number of florals. We have the arch that was touched on. We have a couple altar pieces. So we have 2 medium to large altar pieces. We have 8 centerpieces for the event for the table. So we have 4 centerpieces for the head table. We have 2 table feet to kind of accentuate the table. And then we do have a custom-made arch. So the custom-made arch comes in a couple of sizes. So we can go floor to ceiling or the mid up. Get the wow factor without the price tag. All of this would be a purchase value of about $6,000 to $7,000. Rental on the everything you see here today would be about $980. So save yourself some money. Look at rentals. So this is the arch that comes with the venue. So they had added the garland, and then I took a few of my higher end roses, added those in some baby's breath, and of course the cloth to give it the same type of feel as the rest of the arrangements. I do altar pieces or big stands. So we do have a variety of heights with the stands that you could use as like an altar piece or as a entrance piece. You can do a variety of sizes of those. I do. So we do have everything you see here. I could do the same with like pinks and purples, fuchsias, oranges, reds, of course. Something different. So colors, we try to match your colors to whatever your bridal color is. Keep in mind there are certain colors that aren't natural for roses, and of course won't be available in artificial either. Mostly roses, callas. We do have quite a few of the hydrangeas. And then, of course, in the front bouquets, we do have, so that is the Real Touch Dahlia. So those are quite popular. They do have those in different colors right now, and I can special order pretty much any type of flower that you are requesting. White and roses are the most popular. They are a natural type of stem as well. And you'll have to watch because every so often they do have to have thorns. Not of a real rose and you're allergic to them, this is a perfect option. And we do have them for rental or purchase to save you money. So it comes in a little tiny sleeve, and you just put a little bit of cardboard for stability, and then it just slides right into a pocket. So they're generally a little bit larger. I only have the regular boutonniere and the pocket. Big thing that's trending right now is the lapel. So like I said, we did create a pocket square as well as a regular boutonniere art. So these are as simple as just sliding it in the pocket, and then you could adjust. So this isn't going to fall out. So I did these. These are all custom made. So I do design the handles for the arches. Those are 3D printed for ease of assembling and taking down. All arches are made custom to the colors and need of the client. So I was more than happy to supply these for this lovely event. We also did 2 different types of centerpieces. Again, I do all my own vases, so I can do custom vases as well. And again, these are a mix of real touch and silk. So those are a higher end flower that feels real, has a very natural look, and with these you can actually turn the petals out and do the reflex like you would on a real rose. So we have 4 centerpieces for the head table, and then we do have a slightly different look for the dinner guests. So these ones have a little bit of a wintry feel. So they have the cedar, pine, and the roses with the canvas.
Is that how you hold the bouquet?
Yep.
Oh, wow.
So it lay flat on the table. So it lays flat on the table. And then you just clip in your handle.
I love that.
I don't know what I'm doing. So the little clip
Oh, okay.
pulls out.
Oh, I see. Okay. Okay.
That's so cool.
That is so cool.